Hello and welcome. This is Detective Lazaria, seeking those souls that unfortunately took their own lives. If you want to come through and tell your story, you can use the Spirit Talker app that will be turned on very shortly, the REM pod, which is that black box with the red dot, aka light, or that EMF meter which you're already using, very strong, to orange and red, otherwise these two clear capsules that light up. So again, to any of those spirits that unfortunately chose to end their lives, you can tell your story with this app, which is on. Because I did get the word on an off-camera session. So I just asked, would those spirits like to have a session? The EMF meter just went to orange red. Okay, here we are. I just feel like this is it. I think they're trying to come and say, yes, we have a story to tell and share, and thank you for allowing us to communicate. You're welcome. And I'm sorry that you ended up choosing to leave the world. Maybe unexpectedly, or maybe tragically, or heartbrokenly. And I don't know if people were trying to assist you and get you the help you needed before, or you never got the help. I don't know. Again, that's why you're here, to communicate to me and let me know your story. Somebody's definitely here, because I can see you're coming through the EMF meter.
My whole life was here.
Okay. Well, that whole life that could have been cut short because you chose to leave the world. So even though your whole life was here, you may have ended it shortly, like a young adult. And unfortunately, there's so many like reasonings that people unfortunately do this stuff. Oh, okay.
Margaret.
That's the name of the spirit coming through right now? Hi, Margaret. So your whole life was here and your name is Margaret. And you may have chosen to leave the world on your own own time. You know what I mean?
Vortex.
Is that a way to communicate and travel? I mean, not to communicate, sorry. Is that way? I can't even speak right now. Having that vortex does allow you to come here to communicate to me by going back and forth through a vortex, like a portal. Otherwise, it could have just been spewed. I don't know if there is a Margaret that unfortunately did choose to go.
Watched.
So it just said watched. Did somebody unfortunately watch you leave the world? maybe you can tell us what your possible struggles were? What pushed you to leave the world?
Are you here for me?
Well, I mean, I can help you. If Margaret needs a prayer to be said, I can say it. I can read the prayer. It's over here on my bed. If you need the help, Margaret, because of what unfortunately happened to you, assuming you took your own LIFE. And I don't know what happened to bring you to that state of mind. But again, something made you wanted to say I had enough. Hi.
He died.
Oh, someone passed away. Oh. Okay. So basically a spouse passed away. Like your husband may have passed away before you. And you couldn't take that. You didn't want to live in the world without him. Possibly. Or a son. Maybe it was a son. Your child, your son. So either a husband or a son passed away. You couldn't withstand the guilt of being alone because of the bond and the love you had for them. And so you... Oh.
My blood.
Again, your family. So, your son. Or your uncle. I mean, your brother, sorry. So I just said my blood. So either a brother or her son. So is it a brother or a son that may have passed away? You felt very lonely and sad due to their departure, and you wanted to join them. You didn't want to be here on earth. You would rather be with them. So you decided to leave the world on your own terms. Am I getting the story kind of correct? Accurate? Well, I'm sorry. Well, again, I got this thing called a prayer I can put aside and say it in my mind and see if you can receive it. Oh, see?
Had enough.
I knew you had enough. So again, the spirit had enough of their life, living with the loneliness, without the person that they deeply had a bond with from either, again, a love, yeah. Again, I don't know if it said by blood, so I don't know if it means like a brother or a son, but you had enough. I'm sorry. I'm gonna say the prayer, okay, Margaret? Oh.
I'm very friendly.
And I believe you are. Thank you for coming in and telling me what happened and why you unfortunately left the world. It unfortunately can happen to many that their passing of a loved one can make them feel empty, not wanting to be around anyone, not wanting to continue to live. But what's interesting is the fact that ideally those spirits would prefer if that person can continue to live for them on their behalf, so that they can, from heaven, watch over those living loved ones and see them grow and be happy and have a new family or whatever. But I guess, unfortunately.
Where are you from?
Whoa, okay. So I'm from California, and you're from? Where are you from? Are you from up there? Or maybe you can tell me where you used to live, like a little clue. If I could even guess what that clue will be, what state, All right, I'm going to say the prayer, which is, again, just smacked up here. See if it helps Margaret. All right, said it. Hopefully it got received. You can let me know by click, click, or TP tap on the capital, or orange and red on the EMF. One of those three. Did it get to you? I hope it did. I'm a little bit of a fast reader now that I had to say it so many times. I think that's a yes. Yes? I don't know what else to do other than say that prayer, but I can always summon our spirit guides if you need more help. You just tell me.
You are hopeful.
Oh, thank you. If you need more help, Margaret, there's a group of spirits that called themselves the spirit guides. I can summon and see if any of them can come and help you. Would you like that? They're very, very lovely spirits that help and guide you to, I guess, to cross over or just to be at peace or whatever they do. But they do it to help you. Is that a yes? Did you just click yes for, the one click is yes? Okay. Okay. So if there are any spirit guides, Rosemary, Mary Ellen, Walter, Patrick, Alan, Ruth, Evelyn, and any others, if you can assist this Margaret person to, whether to cross over, she apparently passed on her own terms because of someone she deeply had a connection with by blood, had passed away before her, and she chose to leave the world on her own terms. But I think she needs the help. So if you can help her, that'd be amazing and wonderful. And I'm saying thanks in advance. So if you do get that help from them, can you make it go beep, beep with the actual light and beep, not just the click?
I'm with family.
Oh, that's what I thought. Again, even though you may have left the world the way you wanted it to, which fortunately was on your own terms, you are with that male figure, whether it's the son or your brother. Again, it just said my blood. So you're with them. Well, if you're already with them, that's good to hear. Maybe he needs the prayer or needs the help from the spirit guides. Either way, Margaret, if you can guide that group of spirit guides or spirit guide to the one that needs it, that'd be awesome. And then you can validate that they got the help by going beep, beep on the REM pod by getting closer. Not just some there, but closer to the point where you're touching the device. or capel. It's been very quiet on the capels. Oh, good. I think she's getting help. I'm going to back off a little bit. Give them space to assist those spirits that need it. I mean, I know that a prayer will go so far, but the spirit guides are just as wonderful, wonderful help when it comes to spirits. What was that sound? I just heard a sound. Oh.
Died.
Okay, well, it's, again, letting us know a spirit did, unfortunately, pass away. But no, I heard a notification, but it was on the device I'm currently holding. Hold on. I don't know if I'll lose you. Yeah, oops. Oh, man. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to see what that notification was. Let's see what time it is. It's 11:47 that it may have occurred. And I'll just see if there's a notification that popped up on the iPad. Because this is on Do Not Disturb, so I didn't get anything on that. Oh, why thank you.
You are protected.
Thank you. From the spirit guides that are helping me. See, look how it got quiet. I think, again, either the spirit left because they got the help they needed. Oh.
I affect the animals.
Of course it'd be silly. Okay. I'm just hoping that you mean that you'll affect the animals, meaning you'll make them see you, even though I have no more animals that are living in this room. I have a beloved Fifi, Bebe, Mooey, Buttercup that might be in the room. If they're here, they can tap a capel, say, hey, hi, Mommy. We're here to protect you. And we say, bap, to the spirit. What? I think she might have either, she's still getting assisted by the spirit guides, or she left. She may have crossed over. See? Power of the spirit guides. And maybe the prayer. Okay.
I love to sing.
Is that Margaret coming in again to refer to her life that she used to love to sing? Or maybe it's another spirit coming in saying hi. All right. Well, I might have helped the spirit. And maybe this is it. I mean, I was hoping that they can at least go beep, beep, like confirmation they have indeed been helped. Even if that spirit has left to go into heaven, could at least the spirit guides say, hey, we helped them? All's well? Beep, beep? Or Capel? Did it work? Again, I don't know how I do it, how they do it. Oh.
He will harm you.
I'm ignoring that. So, are you coming back to tell me that you have been helped? Margaret, did it work? Did the spirit guides assist you? Or if this is a spirit guide, did you assist her? Is that what you're trying to do to come back? Tell me. So here, I'll explain to you what I mean when I say beep beep, like this. Like that, okay? See how my finger was barely to the device? It was almost on the device, but not quite. So if you can get your spiritual finger like I did, you can say beep beep. We did indeed assist Margaret. She's in good hands. She's at peace with family and in heaven. Or maybe she always was. Oh, okay.
We're gathering.
So maybe the spirit guides are gathering to do that confirmation of saying we assisted her. Or maybe they need to gather to do their thing. What do they invisibly do with the spirits? Sorry. Mm-hmm. Oh.
Nell.
Hi, Nell. Is this another spirit that's popping in? It has N-E-L-L. It's an older name. Haven't seen that name in a while. Hi, Nell. Is Nell here? Are they too an unfortunate spirit where their life on Earth ended because of their choice? And they want to quickly tell their story? Let me see. Is Nell a female or male? I can't. Ah. Is your name by chance Eleanor? Nell for short? If it's a female, I mean. Because we've had Eleanor a couple times. I never thought about Nell being a nickname for them. At least for this one, it's coming up as Nell.
I was so scared.
You were, I'm so sorry. Were you maybe scared before you chose to go? Did you have any hesitations before you maybe have decided to finally leave? Again, if this is somebody that chose to leave the world on their own terms, by their own hands. Did you have any hesitation?
Ambrose.
Oh, well, that's just a random name. Well, like I said, I think what I can do is just have an off-camera session with anyone remaining. Otherwise, I'll just try to have another session with other spirits tomorrow. And I'll say the prayer for anyone that's coming in that could be, again, a spirit that needs the help. But I do, unfortunately, have to get going. I did at least seem to have helped Margaret, right? I did help Margaret. Can you clarify that I did indeed help a soul named Margaret who ended her life because of her blood-related family member, whether it was a brother or a son, who passed before her?
Go up.
So you're telling Margaret to go up to heaven? Or are you trying to tell me to pan up? I can look up. So did you go? Wait, did she go up? She went up. Maybe, again, that's probably a little clue. Go up, as in she went up. She's in heaven. We did assist her, and she's good. So, to know that, that's good for me. But I sadly do have to get to bed. All right? Yeah. This is your Detective Lazaria signing out. Peace, love, and eternity. Bye.